Hello, our art friend. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a backpack to get ready to go back to school. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. To draw the bag handle, draw a small curved line and the shape that looks like a finger attached to it horizontally. Make two curved lines coming out from each side going down. Draw a curved line at the bottom of the bag handle. Then make a line coming down from each side. Draw an incomplete line at the bottom. In the space left in the middle, draw a square for the buckle. And another smaller square inside. Make lines similar to the last step, right next to them.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
To complete the buckle, make a small half circle on top of the buckle, then two small lines coming down, meeting in a pointy end. To make the front pocket, draw a rectangle intersecting the buckle, having three rounded corners. Inside, draw a half circle and a curve under. To make the button, draw half a square under that rectangle. Then connect the top to the bottom with a curved line on the side. Connect the top of the bag to the front pocket with a small line on the right side and a long line on the left side to connect it to the bottom of the front pocket. Draw another line on the back and stop at the level of the pocket. For the side pockets, draw a long oval shape to make the side of the pocket. Attached to its top, draw a letter C. And a small circle inside for the button. Connect it to the bottom with a curved letter L. To make the shoulder straps, draw a long curved line coming out from the back, going all the way down to connect to the side pocket. Then a small curved line at the top to finish the strap. Make a similar small line on the right side, partially hidden behind the handle. Draw half a rectangle on the other side of the bag to make the other partially hidden pocket. done. Now you're ready to go back to school with a brand new backpack. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.